Hello world, welcome back. So, it has been a while. It's been since February since I uploaded my last actual video. And the reason why, as you can probably tell, is that I'm sort of rebranding and doing a bunch of different things. I mentioned in my return video that I would do gardening, and a video about my cats probably. I've been training him. And as you can see here, this is crochet. So, I just got my hands on my first ever Furls Crochet Hook. As you can see here is a size J. This is Pisces from their streamline line. That is hard to say. And then this is my normal boy hook. And I've been working on this project. It's a size J, which was why I originally bought this hook, is because I really love doing stuff in this size, especially from this project. And I have here two different granny squares. It's a granny square design from Crystal Everdeen. She used it for a top. I made a slightly different top. I made the top very close to her design. I made one that's sort of like a cami, and then I'm working on making a dress, which is going to be really pretty. It's been taking me a long time, but yeah. So I have already crocheted with this. I was going to like put it back in the box and be like, oh, unboxing, but yeah, I'm not going to do that. I got way too excited, and I've had it for like 3 days now. And this is the first time that I've had a chance to record. So I have two granny squares here. This one was with my Furls hook, and this one was with my boy hook. If you can see this one, the stitching is a lot tighter. They're the same size, but I honestly prefer the stitching on this one. It looks more like a sunflower and stuff. So this was my Furls one, and this one was with my boy hook. And they're going to work the same for the project. It'll look fine. I'm the only one that's really going to notice it unless I point it out to somebody and be like, here's a Furls and here's a boy. And I got two of them that looked distinctly different to show you, because there's some of them that are hard to actually tell the difference. But for my review of this, I am going to say a 4 out of 5. Because it was absolutely great to crochet with. It's beautiful. My stitches, as I mentioned, look nicer. That's probably partially because it's an inline hook, which you can see has this flat area here, versus boy, which kind of goes in here and it's not really flat. So these are called Susan Bates in some circles. But yeah, I'm starting to get into the crocheting terminology because I'm not used to it. Also, I apologize for my cracked nail polish and my weird looking nails, but I have weird nails that I like. So I'm going to crochet a little bit of this for you, but as I mentioned, it's a 4 out of 5 because it's lovely. It crochets incredibly. I was worried because some people said the tips are really sensitive, so if you drop them or put them down too hard, they might break off. But I actually had my cat knock this off of where I was setting it onto the floor, and it did not break. It's absolutely fine. But the only thing that I have to say about it, and this is just the luck of the draw, is that it is not swirled like some of the other ones. Like, there's a little bit of colors there, but it's not exactly great. So I'm going to crochet a little bit for you guys, and I probably crochet really weird. I should mention for anyone new that I am arthritic, and so sometimes it's hard for me to crochet. I've also never crocheted on camera, so I don't know how this is going to come out. And as I expected, I'm pretty nervous, so I'm missing things. This is a cluster stitch, by the way. I think it's called a triple cluster stitch because there's 3. I don't know. Cluster stitches are weird. I didn't even know that they had a name. I would have just called them half double crochets, but that's kind of already taken. So, yeah. Oh my goodness, of course. Eventually, I think I'll get better at this, but oh my gosh. It was not that bad before. But yep, there's a cluster stitch. As I mentioned, this pattern is from Crystal Everdeen. It is awesome. I honestly love a lot of her work. But what I also wanted to mention was that I have an Instagram for my crochet stuff. It's called Cane-Clad Creations on Instagram. The little thing is a cat right now. I'm gonna change it, but it might be a cat looking like it's taking a selfie. That is me. And I have different pictures of, you'll see this project if you decide to look it up. I am working on getting an Etsy shop, which will be the same name, Cane-Clad Creations. That will be opening August 23rd, which is a very special date to me. Sorry if things are a little different. I got cut off a bit. But as I was saying, my Etsy shop will be opening August 23rd, Cane-Clad Creations. You can follow the Instagram to follow that pathway, or I will be doing updates on YouTube, health permitting and whatnot. I'm still working up stock. I will be selling earrings, bags, and custom larger clothing like this dress is a custom order. But if you DM me on that Instagram right now, you can get 25 to 35% off and free shipping until August 23rd. And then until probably around October 23rd, all shipping will be free on my Etsy shop. And that's just some promotion deals I'm running to get the start. And finally, once I hit 500 followers, I almost said subs because YouTube, but once I hit 500 followers on Instagram, I will be doing a giveaway, and you will be able to enter that for 2 weeks, and after that, within that 2-week period, we get 600 followers, I will be doing another giveaway up until 1,000 subscribers, and then, or followers, or whatever you call them. This is Instagram, so it's followers, but I suppose that you could call them really anything. At that point, I will probably up the number if we've gotten all those, and the winner of those will either get either a custom keychain or earring. They get to choose and what it is, unless they would like probably a small bag as well. I'm going to do bags that are granny square, slightly bigger than this, and then just kind of put together with a strap around it, like a crossbody. I actually have a granny square for it. It's all kind of tied up in a project, but that's the size that it would be, and here's the strap. Really cute and simple. So you could win either of those if you go and, like, there's one post that's already up that will give you an extra entry, and then once I have the post that's labeled giveaway, once I hit 500, you can enter that, and that will give you another entry, or probably more. I'm not completely certain on the rules, but yeah, this first giveaway will definitely help you. The first entry ahead of time, because I think that's going to be worth double because nobody has entered so far. So yeah, that would be cool. I have kind of long descriptions, so that might be why people are like, oh, pretty crocheting, and then don't actually read, which I totally understand. I don't read many captions. But yeah, that's it for now. That was my review of Furls. 4 out of 5, would get 5 out of 5 if it was more swirled. Sorry, got cut off again, but I'll make this quick. So 4 out of 5 because I wish it was more swirled. I'm getting another hook soon. If you liked this, like the video, subscribe down below. Hopefully it won't be such a dumpster fire in the future, but I can't guarantee that. So keep checking in, push that notification button to see if it's another dumpster fire or not. Hopefully my videos will get better. Also, do you guys like my table? It's new. I'm very excited about it. It hasn't been in a video yet. Some of my other ones were. Technically they were like, it was covered up because it wasn't as pretty, but this is the same exact brand. This is different coloring. I love this one. It's really pretty. I don't know that I have a link to it, so I won't leave the link. But check out my other stuff. Hopefully other content will be back soon. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye guys!